Hi, this is Dale Guiducci with ERA Credit Services coming at you today to talk to you about building a credit repair business in today's world, right? What do I mean by today's world? Well, technology. Technology, in order to build a business of any kind, but obviously also a credit repair business, you need tools. You need sales tools. You need marketing tools. You need technology. You need technology, and we're going to be talking to you about that technology today. Okay, so in order to build a business in today's world, of course, the internet is so important and technology is so important. And every single one of us has what? We have a phone. Why can't we use our phone to build a credit repair business? Why can't we use technology through the internet to build a credit repair business? And the only reasons why we can't is that when I say we, meaning you and I, maybe don't have the expertise to build a phone app that we could use to market our credit repair business, or maybe build sales funnels. I know I've tried to build sales funnels. I guess I just don't have the skill set for that. Graphic design, copywriting, and then setting up a drip email campaign to go along with it, and then writing the appropriate ad on Facebook or Instagram or Google to get people to respond and go to my squeeze page, my landing page, my capture page, whatever you might want to call it, to give me their information. So I finally have their information. Now I got to build an email drip campaign in order to communicate with them. Oh my goodness, right? And I know people that build them, and they build them with ease, but they have the mentality for that. They can sit in front of a computer, figure all that out. Maybe they have more of an analytical mind than I do. Whatever the case may be, I know I couldn't figure it out, and it bothered me. Well, what if you had a sales funnel system to be able to generate leads? And what if you had a phone app as well? Now, I can't develop a phone app, can you? But what if you had a phone app? And I'll give you an example of how you could use a phone app. First of all, people that you know. What if you could pop open a phone app and you had the person's information in your contacts, right? And therefore they pop right into your phone app, and you could send them a message, right? You could just click a button, send them a quick message to introduce them to what you're doing, right? Not from the standpoint that they have bad credit or whatever, but from the standpoint that they now know you're in the credit repair business and they could possibly refer people to you. What if they respond back and they say, listen, I'd like to know more about that, and you could send them a link to a video that describes your services to them. And then you would be notified when they watch the video, how much of the video that they've watched, so that you know that maybe they're ready for a follow-up call. And you could schedule action follow-ups. So after that first phone call, you could say, I'm going to follow up with them in a few days, and your phone app will remind you to do that. That would be awesome right there. So that's for people you know. But what if you're out and about and you run into somebody maybe in the real estate business, or maybe you talk to them about the fact you're in the credit repair business and they'd like to know more? Well, you could certainly go back to your office or your home office or whatever it is you do and send them a message. But what if you could pull up your phone app right away, add them as a contact to your phone, and then again, send them a message or send them a video to watch right while you're standing there? Wouldn't that be impressive? Your prospect gets information about what you do immediately. But here's a big one, and this is what I love about the phone apps that we have, by the way. I'm telling you about this because we have phone apps for you to be able to utilize when you work under our business model. What I love about it is most people that get into the credit repair business, whether I think it's with our company or just in general, get in on a part-time basis, meaning they have a full-time business, other business, or they have a full-time job. Well, picture this. It's 10 o'clock in the morning, and somebody that you know, or you've been doing some marketing, and they send you a message, a text, or they leave you a voicemail, or they send you an email and they say, yeah, I'd like to know more. But you're at your job. What are you going to do, right? I guess you could try to find time at your job to break open an email or whatever the case may be. But what again, if you could just pop open your phone real quick, press a button and send them a quick message and let them know that you're going to be sending them something later. Or you could send them something right now. Send that link to that video right now. You can be way more efficient with our phone apps. And let's talk again about our sales funnels for a second. A lot of times people getting into the business, they're concerned with lead generation. Right? They have a warm market. Yes, they can reach out to them. Yes, they can do some networking in their local community and meet some real estate agents and mortgage brokers and bankers and solar companies, which I highly, highly, by the way, recommend. Those are the best leads right there because they come recommended and those people have a motivation and they've felt a lot of pain. In other words, they didn't qualify for the loan that they needed to purchase what they want. So those are the best leads. But what if you just want to generate more leads? Well, you can use the internet, can't you? But you have to have a lead capture page. You have to have the right page to draw people's attention to the lead capture page. We've got a sales funnel system all built for you. It can be customized for you so that you can get started in your internet lead generation marketing right away. My message to you today is this. You want to start your own business, your own credit repair business. You need technology. Don't think that you can just get away with a website and some emailing anymore. You can't. You can't compete with the companies that are out there. You've got to have the technology. We have built the technology for you. Now, we charge a little fee for this. When I say we, it's not me, it's the parent company. Charges you $20 a month to have phone apps and a sales funnel system. Now, you could build your own phone app. You could build your own sales funnel system, but you ain't going to get it done for $20 a month, and you ain't going to get it instantly either. So you would have to go through all that development process or hire somebody or whatever. $20 a month, just sign up for this system or these systems and let them go to work for you immediately. If you want to know more about our business model, go to eracreditservices.com. I'm going to put the link in the description underneath the video. eracreditservices.com. Go to our credit repair business opportunity page, or if you just go to the homepage on the website, it says business opportunity. Click on that page. There's a 20-minute video. It's going to walk you through all the details, right? And then if you find that of interest, you like what you see, which I think you will, then right below that, you can book a phone appointment to talk with me. But again, the link's going to be in the description. By the way, if you like this information or you've watched some of my other videos, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so that you get notified of the videos I do. I've been a little remiss. I know I haven't done a video in a couple of weeks, and my apologies there, but it's been busy. So I'm taking care of my business, but this is typically a situation where I do a video a week, so you're going to get notified if you hit the bell. And if you like this information, hit the like and give me a little bit of love, and because I love you. And listen, again, get a hold of me if you like the video on my business opportunity page, and we'll spend 20-30 minutes on the phone. I will talk to you. I will share with you my 7 years of experience in the business, and if it's a good fit for you, you can come join us and go to work and build a business right away in all 50 states. Hope you have a great day. Take good care. Bye now. Top is